The spirits of your land want to help you to fight the abomination causers in that land. People that are shedding blood on your land, packing virgins or young students, underage girls, and going into the bush to go and violate them, murdering the entire villages, kidnapping people that are making your land a hell. In fighting them. Imagine the Hausas with their famous history of jinns and spirits where those people get spirits, so they get magic, or they get charmers, so. And now look at them, a powerless bunch of carton, where they possessed by the closest demons and devoured by the closest demons. Completely devoured, they don't get identity again. Religion, personality, they are completely lost. They were just like a shell waiting for a fucking parasite to come and live inside it. And look at what the demon is doing to their land. Their land is desecrated, so much bloodshed. The spirits of our land, the spirits that place is their principality. The spirits of the universe that place is their principality. Wants the people to call on them for help, but they are too disarmed. Religion has taken their gun from them, disarmed them. They can't be cut on.